Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple process of buying hosting and a domain in Hostinger. So first, to get started, just have to click the link in the description below to get the 20% off. So once you click the link, then you'll be redirected to the Hostinger website, as you can see here. So once you're here on the homepage, you will see an option where you click on claim deal. So here, as you can see, we have 75% of hosting plus website builder, free domain, free website migration, 24/7 customer support. So you just click on claim deal. But if you want to choose your hosting plan, so here you just have to scroll down and you'll find the three hosting plan here. We have the premium, business, and cloud startup. So here you will find the different benefits. If you're going to choose the premium plan, you can have the 100 websites plus 2 months free. Here you will find some of the advantages and also the features. Now here in this case, I'm going to recommend you using the business or business plan if you're going to create a online store or e-commerce website. Once you click on that, then you'll be redirected to this page. Now here you just have to set up your business web hosting. You can select either you want 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. So the longer the term, the bigger the discount. So here I'm going to choose 48 months. So as you can see, it renews at this price on this date. Your free domain plus 2 months free are included with this order. And once you've done here, just click on the continue button. And from here, you can now have a chance to create your account on Hostinger. And once you've done, click on the continue button. So if you're going to create an e-commerce website, then you will find this dashboard on your screen. And we have some of the options in the left panel. We have dashboard, payments, products, or we have the categories, orders, appointments, discount marketing, and settings. So here you can set up and customize your online store using these options right here. Now here on the top right, you'll find edit website button. Then you'll be redirected to the hosting your website builder where you can fix and customize your website. Now, if you're going to select on the top left and then going here on the website manager, then you will now go to your dashboard on your Hostinger. So here is the overview of your website or the features here. And then if you're going to main menu, you'll find an options on the left panel where you can add a domain. So click on domain. You have three options: domain portfolio, get a new domain, and transfers. If you're going to select a domain portfolio, you will find all the domains registered to your hosting plan. All right, so here you will find the add new domain right here at the top right to buy your domain. You can get a new domain or transfer an existing domain. So here in this example, I'm going to get a new domain. So to get and buy a new domain here, so type your desired domain into the domain checker search bar and find out if it's available instantly. So in this case, I'm going to just type here the channel name, which is the Quick How To's, and then just have to click on search, and then you will find the check result here or the available domains. And you can also generate a domain using the AI. So you just type here a short description about your project or about your um, website. So basically, this is digital products or an online store. So click generate, and then you just have to wait for a few seconds until it's done generating your new domain on Hostinger. So you can basically select any of the options here. For example, I want digistorefront.com and then just click on buy domain. And here set up your billing period. As you can see, if you want a billing period 3 years, 2 years, or 1 year. So in this case, I'm going to select 2 years. You can get free domain privacy protection included, right? And then click on this complete payment. And here, once you click on this one, then you're done buying your new domain on Hostinger. You have also transfer. You can transfer domain to Hostinger. So domain transfer is a process of moving a website address from one provider to another, or you can move domain to another Hostinger account. So this feature allows you to transfer your domain name to another Hostinger account. So just click on the any of this, for example, transfer domain to Hostinger, and then follow the in-screen instructions here on how you can basically transfer your domain on Hostinger. So that's how you basically buy your hosting plan and domain on Hostinger. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.